Hey, if you're thinking about buying a home with an adjustable rate mortgage, it makes sense to know if over the last 50 years, overall buyers with fixed rates or adjustable rates have saved more money on their rate. So, are there any times when a fixed rate came out ahead? Let's break it down. Over the last 50 years, adjustable rate mortgages like 5-1 or 10-1 ARMs, those that start with a fixed rate for 5 years and adjust every year after that, or 10 years and adjust, those have usually saved buyers money, especially in the short term. That's because they start off with a lower rate, often a full percentage point or lower than the 30-year fixed. So if you bought a home in the 90s, 2000s, or 2010s, chances are you paid way less overall with an ARM, as long as you moved or you refinanced within the first 5 to 10 years. Rates during those decades were mostly stable or falling, so borrowers who took ARMs often won. But there were some real exceptions. Take the early 80s. If you got a mortgage in the late 70s, say 1977, at say 8.5% fixed, that's where they were then, you were doing great. Because just a few years later, in 1981, interest rates hit 18%. So if you had an ARM that adjusted in year 5, your monthly payment would have jumped massively, and refinancing would have been brutal. Here's a more recent example, 2021. That year, 30-year fixed rates hit historic lows, say 2.75%. ARMs offered only a small discount, maybe a quarter to half a percent. But by 2023 and 24, interest rates skyrocketed to over 7%. So if you took a 5-1 ARM in 2021, you're probably feeling pretty good. You've got a golden fixed rate, and you're probably bragging about it to your friends. So what's the takeaway? ARMs are usually the smart move if you're confident you'll sell or refinance within 5 or 10 years, and if rates are expected to stay flat or drop. But when rates are near all-time lows and they're likely to rise, that fixed rate stability is worth every penny. So choosing the right mortgage isn't about guessing, it's about strategy. If you want to run the numbers and make the smartest move for your future, give me a call. I'll refer you to somebody that can help you.